Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So today in this tutorial we are going to learn how you can turn off Trello notifications. So without further ado, let's get started. So click on Trello and now you will see an interface where it will show you your boards. So we are just going to click on this hamburger menu in the top left corner. So click on it and now you need to click on settings, and after clicking on settings you need to see an option called notifications. You need to search for it. Okay, as you can see it is in the top. So click on open system settings and it will open our system settings, and if you want to turn it off one by one, or maybe just some of this option you want to turn off, or you can completely turn off the notifications. So simply click on this and it will turn off it will turn off all the notifications from the app, and you can click on back. So that's how you can turn off notifications, and there's a much easier way that I will show. You can also click on this bell icon here and you need to click on these three dots and it will tell you to push notification settings. Click on it and you will also be redirected from here. So there are two ways that you can do. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video beneficial. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. See you soon. Have a good day.